Hello everybody, hope you're having a great weekend. This is the still wet painting from a previous video. I didn't do a very long video on the embellishment coming up here because my battery ran low and I didn't realize it and it wasn't recording, so there's not very much, just a few minutes, but you get the idea of what I've done. Here it is dry. And you can see I am about to start working on an owl. For me, the painting has always looked like the wings of an owl to me, so I am going with that, and I'm painting in an owl. I have a reference photo, a free reference photo, and I found one that I like the angle of and positioning, so that's what I'm doing. I'm making this into an owl embellishment. So it goes by pretty quickly here, but I hope you enjoy it and that you like the end result. So I'll just let you watch, and thanks again for watching. I do hope you enjoy this video, and take care. Thank you.